looking? You're alive with Lynn, again at the beautiful Auburn Hills. This one is brand new. We just got it king. The Solitude has lots of features going on. Lots of different case pieces. It's got pretty much the same picture framing that the Raven has. You are off the ground, so you have a nice cut leg. You have your brushed nickel poles. Your drawer construction is metal on metal, but you are corner blocked, and that actually adds durability to all the drawers, makes them last longer. These are solids and veneers. So it's an African hardwood, it's called a kumi. So you do have solids and veneers on here, so it is exceedingly durable, but it is wood. So you do have to take care of it. Polish it, keep it looking pretty. Now, I gotta tell you, the bed is where the fun is. Just kidding. So, look at the bed. You actually have sliding doors. You have a nice nickel door, and you can slide it. You can make it look like they're in the center. You can slide them to the side. Both sides slide. This is considered to be, just so you know, a platform bed. Why is it a platform bed? Because you actually have useful storage underneath the bed as well. So you do not require a foundation. It is on slats. So I always recommend a bunkie board. That adds extra durability to the set. It's got a huge side rail. Look at this rail on the side. It's absolutely massive. So this is an extremely durable set.